Industry 4.0 is a forward-looking technology platform for the global manufacturing industry. It consists of several product and process-based subsystems. Its application to lean manufacturing has been widely perceived, but its implementation has been hitherto unknown. This research bridges this gap by stating explicitly that Industry 4.0 contributes to lean manufacturing by means of advanced information and communication systems and future-oriented technologies. It also provides an insight into manufacturers' dilemma as to whether they can commit to implement lean manufacturing within the provided timescales. The incomplete link between Industry 4.0 and lean manufacturing is found, and suitable solution principles are identified to overcome the barriers of implementation.
This article is titled, Industry 4.0 implies lean manufacturing. Research activities in Industry 4.0 function as enablers for lean manufacturing and was authored by Adam Sanders, Chola Elangeswaran, and Jens Wulfsberg.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.